here we've got Honor 50 Lite, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, then tap on more icon and select blocked. And here you can set some blocked rules, so you can pick between call and messages. So let me start with call, and here you can block all incoming calls, all unknown numbers or all private colors, just like this. Then you can also manage messages block rules, and here we've got only the unknown numbers options. And then whenever you'd like to block some contact of yours, just reach contacts, pick the one that you would like to block. Actually here we have no number, so let's pick Andrew, and now tap on more, and here you can smoothly block it by tapping on block contact. And that's it. This is how you can call block contacts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.